Welcome to the Grand Canyon. I am out here doing my very first real outdoor camera comparison. I've got the Honor 8 Pro. I've got the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's compare, let's contrast, let's enjoy the environment. And boy, this place is impressive. I didn't think I would be this impressed, but I had no idea how massive, how big, how awesome the Grand Canyon is. Enjoy. All right, so we've been out here drinking champagne and also just kind of enjoying nature, and it is really nice. I'm using the microphone, like a small mic there, so that's why you can hear me quite clearly, but it is so serene. There's a lot of bugs. We've got people taking photos everywhere, kind of just being, influencers. Get out of my video. Oh, well, you can be in, not you, Nirav. But yeah, you get the idea. But it's cool, it's cool. This is all shot, all video in this video, shot with the Honor 8 Pro. Okay, so taking a look at the images from both devices, they both look really solid. I really want to make this video in a way that you guys would enjoy and also kind of make your own decisions there. I will say one thing I want to point out is that The Galaxy tends to push a lot of more contrast, while the Honor 8 Pro is lighter on that contrast there. So when it comes to darker scenes, like there's a scene where we're over the dam and there's a lot of contrast on the Galaxy's photo, but when you look at the Honor 8 Pro, you can actually see the water clearly, or at least much better in that photo. So again, this some of the differences there, but I want to know what you think about the images of both devices. Now, when it comes to the hardware itself, let's take a quick look at that before we wrap this video up. The Honor is 6.7 inches compared to the 6.9 of the S25 Ultra, the displays. Both displays are lovely. Max nit brightness on the Honor 8 Pro is 6,000 nits. Now, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 on the Honor, while on the Galaxy, you're looking at, of course, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. That came out earlier last year in 2025. Now, the big difference, of course, are the cameras. The Galaxy has the 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel periscopic, 50 megapixel ultra wide, in comparison to the 50 megapixel main sensor of the Honor, 200 megapixel periscopic, and of course 50 megapixel ultra wide here. Now, the batteries is also a very big difference here, is that we have completely two different types of batteries. The Galaxy has a 5,000 milliamp battery with 45 watt charging wired, 15 watt wireless charging, and 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. So nice, right? The Honor has a 7,100 milliamp battery if you are in for the global region. Europe is 6,270, while in China is 7,200 milliamps. So a clear 2,000 milliamps above what you're getting in the Galaxy. Charging, wired charging 100 watts globally, and then in China it's around 120 watts. Still, that's insane. Wireless charging is 80 watts, and reverse wireless charging is 5 watts. So again, better battery in terms of usage. So you're going to get about 2 days worth of usage on this device, which is insane. Now, in terms of weight, you would think that bigger battery should give you more weight. The weight is roughly around the same with the Galaxy at 218 grams compared to the 219 grams on the Honor. And because that, of course, using silicon carbon batteries, you're seeing that difference here. But I digress, guys. I want you guys to tell me what you think about the photos, who did better, which ones do you like. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.